If you're looking to step up your Instagram game, this video is for you. In this video, you'll learn how to use filters to enhance your photos and make them truly stand out. I'll go over all the different filter options and give you some tips on how to get the most out of each one. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. First of all, let's open up the Instagram application and then let's create a quick little post. So tap on this plus icon at the bottom center of the screen. And then I'm simply going to select something random from the gallery and tap on the arrow icon at the top right corner of the screen. So, when you are on this page, you can add filters to your photo. You can swipe through these filters and select anything that you like. For example, I can tap on this filter called Ludwig and that will add that filter effect to my photo. You can also tap on that one more time to get this slider. So you can use this slider to decrease or increase the strength of this filter. Let's tap Done. You can personalize this filter even more by tapping on the edit option over here. So now you can do a lot of things. You can adjust all of these things to your liking. Once you are happy with everything, tap on the arrow icon at the top right of the screen. And now you can write a caption and post this to Instagram. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.